Hello everybody. Today's the 1st of January 2019, so I wish Happy New Year to everyone. And what I'm going to do with this video right now is explain a new feature that we've added to the cTrader Forex Grid-Hedge trading system. It's for trading hours. So customers that have purchased this product have told us that if we had trading hours, it would really help using this type of strategy where they could do different trading sessions to increase their net profits. Okay, so with all our products we do regular updates, and people that have purchased the product will get the update free of charge, and they can just download it from their account on their website. Okay, so this is the product. If you're not familiar with it, I'll just quickly go through it. You can download a trial version here, and scroll down. It tells you all about the product, and at the bottom here we've just added the trading hours here, include trading hours. Okay, so we're showing you just briefly that we've added the feature, but down here if you want to find out more information, you just click on this link and it will actually take you to the product page, or the product support page for this trading robot. So we're going to do a product support page for all of our products eventually. We've just added the trading hours in there, so this explains to you in more detail how to use the trading hours. But we're going to do a video as well, which is what I'm doing now, for people that can speak English, so they can understand and they can see a hands-on example using the trading hours. If your English isn't so good, you can translate this into your current language. If you feel there's any information that is missing, please let us know. You can add comments at the bottom of this page if you log in. I'm not logged in at the moment, but if you were, you can add comments. Okay, so if I go to cTrader, so we're going to go straight into it because there's another video on the product page that explains the product in more detail. Okay, I'll just quickly show you that again. If I go to the product page, if you scroll down, the video's here. You can expand the view and look at it in YouTube. Okay. Okay, so all I'm going to talk about is the trading hours. So this is a new feature we've just added. Now you can turn it on or off just by selecting yes or no. So if you have no trading hours and you run it, this will run the robot as it was before with no trading hours. Okay, so it just comes back with the results there and your statistics there. Okay, 6.15% drawdown. Sorry. So if I add trading hours, now what it's going to do now, it'll only open positions between 6 a.m. because it's a 24-hour clock here, and 12 p.m. Sorry, a.m. So it's midday. So it'll only open positions in a 6-hour window, 6 in the morning till midday. Okay, and if I click yes, so if I start the back test, okay, you can see the drawdown's gone lower. It's gone to almost half of what it was before. Profit's gone down a bit, and the reason for that is you can specify periods of time when you don't want to trade or when you do want to trade. Okay, when you know there's definite trends. So this will definitely help the robot with other currency symbols. I'm just doing a demonstration at the moment. This is just random times I've set. Okay, so you can set your time there. It's a 24-hour clock, like I said. So if you were going to do 9 in the morning, you just do 9, and if you're doing 17 in the afternoon, which is 5 in the afternoon, you do 17. Now if you run that, that's going to run trades between 9 and 17. Okay, now that's going to run trades between 9 and 17. Now what happens is, if you run a back test and you look at the history, to make sure to cross-reference that it's opening and closing at the correct times, because you can have a look. I've got 9 o'clock and I've got up to 16:41. You'll never see trades opening before 9 o'clock, and you'll never see trades opening after 1700 hours, which is 5 o'clock. Okay, you need to set your time for the platform time to server time, because what it does when you run back tests, the trading hours of part of this strategy will use server time. When you run forward test, or if you run it real time on a demo or a live account, it will use your current PC time. Okay, so just make sure that if you run back test, you're doing a quick test to make sure it's working. Set your server time to UTC plus 0, which is the server time, and you'll see the correct values in here for your entry time. Okay, now this robot, if you use trading hours, it will only stop opening positions between those hours. Positions that are already open, it will continue to manage them. So it will continue to manage them on news releases, trailing stop, and the dynamic take profit that happens as part of the internal strategy or the internal logic of this robot. Okay, so positions that are open get managed still, so they get closed eventually. Positions, and what it will do, it will stop opening new positions. Now there's a new feature, another adjustment you've got here, which is close all winners. Normally I would leave that to no, but I've added it anyway. So what happens is, at 1700 hours, when the trading stops, it will also close all positions. It gives you the option to close all positions, but it will only close winning positions. It will leave your losing positions running. Okay. Now, we found that by doing it only closing winning positions, it actually increases your net profit in the long run. It seems it's a better way of doing it than closing all your positions, because you'll just end up with massive drawdowns. Okay, so you'll leave the positions open to be managed by the system to eventually close them, but it won't open up new positions. Now, one thing I wanted to explain as well is about multi-sessions. Now, one session would be 9 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon, 1700 hours. That's a session, that's a trading session. But I can do 8 in the morning until, say, 10 in the morning. That's going to be 8 in the morning till 10 in the morning. Now, that will run a trading session between 8 and 10, okay? Now, you might want to ask, I want 2 trading sessions, so I want it to run between 8 in the morning and 10 a.m., and also from 5 in the afternoon, of say 10 at night till 4 the next day. I'll show you that in a minute. But what I'm going to show you how to do multiple trading sessions is this. You just save your parameters. Okay, so I'm just going to save the parameters. I've already done one, test 1. And then you open up a new CBOT instance. Okay, you load the same parameters in. Test 1. Now that's got the same parameters. It's also got the same trading hours. I can then change that from 2200 hours, which is 10 o'clock, to 4. Now, if you put the stop time less than the start time, that will automatically configure it so it goes the next day. It will go to the next day. So this would be, say today is the 1st, it will start trading at 10 o'clock tonight, and it will stop tomorrow on the 2nd at 4 in the morning. Okay? So if you put a trading stop time value less than the start time, it will automatically think that you're referring to tomorrow. So it will go tomorrow. Now, if you run both of these robots, this robot will only ever run between 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So if I start this robot, it will only trade between 8 in the morning and 10 in the morning, okay? Whereas the second robot, if you run that as well, it's got exactly the same parameters, it will run between 10 at night and 4 the next day, okay? This is for doing multi-time frame sessions. And you can easily just add another robot instance and then change the time frame to another different value and keep doing that and have as many trading sessions as you want, okay? And there's no harm in actually doing this, having the same symbol running with the same parameters, okay, but different trading hours. Now, yeah, that's what I want to say on that. So that's straightforward on there. I don't think there's anything else I need to show you on the trading hours. I think that was it. I'm just going to quickly make sure there's nothing else. Obviously, the close all winners will close only winners that relate to this symbol. So if you say close all winners or trading hours, it only relates to this currency symbol. Okay. Now, if you're going to use, so what will happen is if you say close all winners, it will only close all winning Euro GBP positions, not all your positions. And also, if you do want to make them unique, each one of these, you can easily just change this instance name to something different, and they will both work independently. So you can have the same trading hours, different parameter settings, and they will work independently. Okay. If you do have any questions, just send us an email on our forum. I'm just going to quickly show you where it is. If you go to our forum under support, community forum, and in here, if you've got any other features that you feel should be added, we've got suggestions and improvements, and this is the smart grid one here that we've just added. So just to add your topic here, just to add an improvement you'd like on the robot, okay? Or if there's anything else here about backtesting or trading discussions, please add it here if you've got a problem. If you've got a problem with the robot itself, please submit a support ticket on the product page. I have to quickly show you that. So each product page at the bottom, you've got the knowledge center you can go directly to for help. Oh, sorry, there it is. And you've got a help desk to submit a support ticket. So you submit a support ticket, I'm not logged in, only if you find there's a problem with the actual robot, okay? Okay, that was it. That's just trading hours, and I hope that you find that useful. All existing customers can log into their account, go to their your downloads, and you can download the update straight away. But we're going to send you an email anyway to all our customers just to let you know an update has happened, okay?